Today's aerial journey will take us on an historical flight over one of the most renowned sites in not just Germany but of entire Europe. It is going to be one of the most interesting journeys that you will be going on with me. I am Ajinkya Shinde from Miles to Adventures, and we will be traveling to Castle Neuschwanstein, or locally known as Schloss Neuschwanstein. The castle was built in the late 19th century by the famous King Ludwig II of Bavaria, which is really hard to believe looking at it for the first time. Work on the building site of Castle Neuschwanstein began in 1868, where up to 8 meters of stone was removed and the mountain top flattened. In June 1869, an access road was completed, and finally the foundation stone was laid on 5th September 1869. The latest building techniques and materials were used in the construction of the castle, and it has a cemented foundation, and the walls are built of brick with light colored limestone used merely as a cladding. It is due to this fact that the castle can be seen from miles around. Schloss Neuschwanstein is a perfect example of a modern German engineering marvel which combined the medieval Romanesque style of a typical knight's castle and all the latest German building master crafting and technical skills of the late 19th century. It shows a typical combination of a modern building technology and historical architecture with furnishing styles of the bygone era. To name a few examples, the castle has a very modern kitchen, a modern heating system, and many tightly fitted windows with frames made of industrial steel. The Marienbrücke or Pollardsbrücke lies across the river Pollard and is located directly behind the castle and is a favorite photo stop for the millions of tourists that visit this castle every year. The bridge was originally built by King Maximilian II von Bayern in 1845 and was later renovated in 1866 by King Ludwig II. I thank you for watching my videos on Miles to Adventures.